Good morning all. In this video lesson, we are going to be studying the usefulness of the vibration. In the last session, we have seen the importance of the vibration in engineering field, and we understand what kind of stresses and unpleasant conditions are going to be creating because of the excessive vibrations that we studied. At the same time, in this session, we can see the vibrations are required for few more things. In this case, we can check it here, the vibrations testing equipments. These are the equipments which are using to measure the vibration levels in a particular machine or certain components, so that we can apply the vibration isolating things to that particular system, so that we should not exceed the limit of the vibrations, so that automatically that system is going to be within the safe condition. So next one, the vibrating conveyors, hoopers, sieves and compactors. So these, in this case, what will happen, the conveyors, the hoopers and sieves, they generally used for the transportation or the separation of the different sizes of the materials. Some different grades of the components they are going to be separated, right? And next one is the compactors. This is the most of the time they are using for the compaction of the powder metallurgy. So that uniform distribution of the material is going to be essential. In this case, they are going to be keeping that mold in a particularly on the vibrating machine, so that the distribution is going to be made uniform. And not only that, in the compactors, in the mechanical workshops also, it is very much required to improve the efficiency of the machines in the casting and forging and the welding techniques also. Particularly when it comes to the casting, coming to the casting, so in this case what will happen, that the preparation of the mold, right, in the proper distribution of the sand is going to be important. There, the forging and welding, the proper alignment of the system is also going to be taking place because of these vibrations. We can make it. The next one, the musical instruments, and we know that these musical instruments, every instrument has the frequency of the vibrations, and because of that, we are getting the very good rhythmatic the music from that particular instruments. Right? And the next one, earthquakes for geological research. So in this case, what will happen? Because of this earthquakes, we are going to be, this geological research is helpful to find out the origin of the earthquakes, right? And how the earthquakes are propagating to the soil of the earth. And the next one, the future prediction of the earthquakes also, it is possible from this one. That's why the vibrations are going to be very much essential over here. The next one, it is useful for the propagation of the sound. Right? And the sound, as we know that how it is going to be transmitting from one point to the other point because of these vibrations. So it is very clear from this one how the vibrations are helpful for the human being for the progress of his life. Thank you.